Hey guys, so I have here my JBL Charge4 and there is a firmware update available for this wireless Bluetooth speaker, so I want to show you today how to perform this update, which is really easy. All you need to have is here either an iPhone or an Android phone that you pair to your speaker, and then the only other thing that you need is here the JBL Connect app, and that is available in the App Store or the Google Play Store, so you can download it there for free. And now once you've done that, then you just start your speaker, you pair it to your phone, and as soon as you start the JBL Connect app, the app is going to recognize here my Charge4, and on the very bottom where you see the settings button, there's here this cogwheel with this little red dot in the corner, and that red dot indicates that there is a firmware update available. But before I'm going to press that button, I am actually going to charge the battery of my speaker, because I want to make sure that the speaker does not run out of power while the firmware update is in process. And you see here my battery is really low, so the firmware update actually does not start unless you have at least 50% battery or you connect it here to a power source. So that's what I'm going to do here. And now we can start to go back to the app, and we hit that cogwheel icon, and then you see here the big orange button that says update, and we want to press that. It's going to download the firmware from the internet, and then it's going to flash it onto our speaker, and this process takes quite a while. I think for me this took about 10 minutes total, and during this time it's best to not touch your speaker or your phone. So don't accidentally exit out of the app, because that may actually ruin your speaker when the update fails right in the middle. So just leave it alone and wait for it to complete. So eventually it's going to say restarting. Even then, at this point, just leave it alone and wait for the jingle to appear. And as soon as you hear that, then you know the update is complete. And now we are free to go here. So the firmware update is complete, so there's nothing left to do. And so if you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below, and don't forget to check out my other videos.